Hi friends, my name is Tanvi Sandeep Daikar. I am from class 8. So today I am going to tell you how to make a simple and yummy Maggi without many ingredients. So first of all, I will tell you how many ingredients I have taken. I have taken one packet of Maggi. This is Maggi masala. This is 1.5 spoon of ghee, and this is 2 glasses of water, and I have taken this pan. So first of all, I will put water in this. Okay, I have put in water in this, and we have to wait till the water boil properly. And after that, we will put Maggi in that. So our water is boiled now. You may see this water is boiled. Now I will put the Maggi in it. Okay, I am putting the Maggi in it. Okay, so Maggi I have put in it. You may see this. So now we have to mix it properly. Okay, now I will put the ghee. So I am putting the ghee in it. We have to put 1.5 ghee. Then we have to mix it properly. Okay, after mixing, then we have to put the Maggi masala in it. We have to, because of ghee, if you want to put the ghee, then you may put. If you don't, then you may not. Because of ghee, the Maggi will become tasty. So I have put on, and Maggi masala also with our taste we have to put it. So now it is going to, our Maggi is going to be ready. And we have to wait till the Maggi get fully absorbed. Maggi will absorb full the water. We have to wait till then our Maggi will be ready. So you may see that our Maggi is fully ready. So I will serve it into the plate, and then I will show to you. You may also try at your.
Hello everyone, myself Palak Bhandari, and today I would like to make a very unique dish called Mexican tacos, which is popularly known in Mexico. So without further ado, let's move on to our video.
Now let's discuss about the ingredients. Here I have took 2 to 3 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 to 3 boiled smashed potatoes. I have already smashed it, and I have took chili flakes. As per your taste, you can take salt, and as per your taste, you can take red chili powder. I like more spicy food, so I have took more. If you want less, you can take less. I have took chili sauce, red chili sauce, and here is oil and chaat masala. So now we will knead this all-purpose flour. So first I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, and then I'll add 1 teaspoon of oil, and then we'll just mix it. Make sure while mixing this, we'll have to add little water in it so that we can make a dough out of it. So our dough is ready, and we'll put a dish on it and keep aside for 20 seconds. So now we'll cut the onion, but before cutting, I would like to give a bonus tip for all of you. So before cutting the onion, you must place it in refrigerator for like 20 to 25 minutes so that your eyes won't irritate while cutting it. So here I have chopped the onions, and now we'll mix all the things together. stuffing will look like this. Now we'll make the chapatis out of the dough that we made. Now we'll stick all the 3 chapatis one by using a little bit oil on it. And now we'll roll all of these together. Now we'll heat the base on a pan. After heating, it will look like this. Now we will put a layer of red chili sauce all over the base. Now we will put stuffing on the base. Make sure you put it on only one side of it and then grate it with cheese. Now cover the other half of it and then cut it with a knife like this. Now take a pan and put a little oil into it. Make sure you put a little only if it's non-stick pan, and then put both the tacos on it and then shallow fry it. And finally, your Mexican tacos will look like this. This is the dish, guys, and I think you should try it making at home because it's very instant and takes only 5 minutes to cook. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.
साची साची तेरी नजरें एक दर्पण, देवे मन की ये खबरें एक पलछिन।
अधरों ने कुछ ना कहा रे, नैनों ने कह दिया।
तूने तो पल भर में चोरी किया रे जिया मोरा जिया।
तूने भी पल भर में चोरी किया रे जिया मोरे पिया।
गुमसुम रहने वाली हमरी ये गुजरिया रे, कल 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 बहने लागी जैसे प्रेम की नदियाँ रे।
तुझ संग प्रीत हमने लगाए हैं, तब जाके ये रुत आई है।
तूने तो पल भर में चोरी किया रे जिया मोरा जिया।
तूने भी पल भर में चोरी किया रे जिया मोरे पिया। गुप चुप दिल में आया सजना स्वांग रचैया रे। पल पल हर पल जिसकी छाया अपना पार लगैया
पर जान हमने लुटाई है, तब जाके तू संग आई है।